So I was stuck with Q-Link for a year, and now I'm back with Safelink. Let's check out the phone I got. Got some paperwork. Got the phone itself. There it is. It's pretty big. It's I don't know if you can see that, but it's a CoolPad 3622A, which is also known as the CoolPad Catalyst. I've never heard of CoolPad until this point, but we'll see how it is. I had a ZTE with Q-Link, and that didn't go too well. And I thought I was going to get a ZTE Jasper based on the other video for Safelink. But yeah, I'm willing to give CoolPad a shot. Yeah, I'm not going to try putting this phone together with one hand, but you know, you got your charger, the case. If you want to learn more about this phone, I'll put a link in the description. And if it's worth talking about, I'll make a review video. I'll talk about it some more. So yeah, that's the CoolPad phone I got from Safelink. Thanks for watching.